today we are making these adorable rice knishes. Imagine a firm rice pudding made a crispy cheese blintz, and you'd have this baby over here. The dough is crispy and flaky, and then the filling is not too sweet. You'll find this recipe and all my recipes on OrnaBakes.com. Let's bake! For your filling, combine long grain white rice, whole milk, sugar, and salt. Place over medium heat, stirring occasionally, and as soon as it boils, reduce the heat and cover and simmer for about 60 minutes until all the liquid has absorbed. Scrape the bottom to make sure it isn't scorching. Remove from the heat and stir in room temperature butter, and I like to transfer it to a large container to cool quickly. For the dough, place the flour, baking powder, and salt in the bowl of your stand mixer and whisk to combine. Make a well in the center, add the cold sour cream, melted and cooled butter, your beaten egg, and sugar, and mix with a paddle or by hand just to combine. If the dough looks very oily, you can add a teaspoon or so of flour, but try not to add too much flour. Scrape onto a lightly floured counter and knead lightly just to form a ball. We don't want to develop the gluten or your knishes won't be light and tender. Don't worry if the dough looks a bit lacy, not smooth, it'll come together after resting. Place on plastic wrap and use the plastic to help you nudge it into a rectangle. This will make it easier to cut into thirds and then roll into rectangles. Chill for at least 30 minutes or up to 24 hours. This will bring the dough together. Cut into 3 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a rectangle about 16 inches or 40 centimeters wide by 8 inches or 20 centimeters tall. Roll a scoop of filling between your hands to form a log just over an inch thick and place 1 inch from the bottom, leaving a ½ inch border on the sides. Trim any jaggedy edges of dough. Roll up nice and tight, brushing away any excess flour. Use the bottom of your hand to mark half and then half again, and then saw through to form 8 pieces. Use your bench scraper to make clean cuts. Pinch, twist, and flatten one cut side to form the bottom of the knish. Roll the sides gently between your hands to form a cylinder. Pinch and twist the top to seal, and then press your thumb into the filling to form a small dimple. Place on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Press down to flatten. Brush them with milk to help them brown. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for about 25 minutes until golden brown all over. Rotate after 12 minutes and place on a second baking sheet so the bottoms don't over brown. These are delicious, warm or room temperature, and they'll brighten up any brunch or holiday celebration. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.